Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and I'm super ecstatic to cover this collaboration with Jjjjound, and it's his first time actually with the Puma team. So this time around they are teaming up on the Mostro silhouette and I was able to snag the brown colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling videos. Today we're going to be talking about, again, a collaboration with Jjjjound as well as the Puma team on the Mostro silhouette, which is one of Puma's newest silhouettes they have been pushing throughout the year. If you have not already checked out my first Mostro video, which is on the yellow and black colorway, be sure to go back and tune into that video as it will be a little bit more in-depth and detailed on the silhouette specifically. But today we are going to focus on Jjjjound. I'll give you a little tidbit of history on Jjjjound if you don't know who the designer is, but we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really sleek upscale looking sneaker. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. All right, so if you have been following my channel for the past 5 years, you already know that I am a Jjjjound fanatic. I have been obsessed with Jjjjound for a very long time, and Justin Saunders has honestly been hopping around from brand to brand, which is really refreshing because I just think that he puts just a nice monochromatic, luxurious feel that he brings to the table on all of his collaborations he's done, from Asics to New Balance, you name it. He has put his twist and spin on so many different brands, and I'm completely obsessed with all of his collaborations he's done. As far as this silhouette goes, I really was vibing when I first tried these on. These are absolutely so comfortable. I don't know what I was expecting, but for some reason I thought these were not going to be that comfy when I put them on, but when I had them on foot, I was shocked at how much arch support these give, as well as how modern and cool these look on foot as well. So as far as the spikes go, you've got black spikes on this one, and the suede on this is such high quality. I was actually shocked. It doesn't even honestly look like a Puma sneaker at all, but this is the chocolatey suede on this rendition. This also came in a second colorway option, which was a navy and black tone. I do find that navy is a bit harder to kind of pair with a lot of the clothing that I have in my closet, since I'm not really a big navy girl, so I opted for this chocolate brown tone, which I think is much easier to style. As far as the laces go, these are such clean laces. I love a nice sleek round lace, and this is in this nice off-white cream tone. As far as the tongue goes too, we're getting this really high quality, smooth, chocolatey leather, and then on the interior you're also getting leather, so not cheaping out there either, in this cream finish. So let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side paneling. All right, so as far as the side paneling goes, one of the things I love about this is the Puma branding is very subtle and monochromatic. So you just honestly see the brown stitching, which when it hits the light just has a little bit of a glisten, a little bit of a sheen. But other than that, it kind of just disappears and is camouflage on both the lateral and medial side of the sneakers you can see here. And then as far as Jjjjound goes, Jjjjound doesn't typically do a lot of flashy brown branding. So for this specific sneaker, you can see that this is just nicely embedded here and debossed in the back of this chocolatey suede here with Jjjound's logo on the back. Other than that, the only other branding you're going to see is on the interior, which is on the insole. So you've got Jjjound there in black on top of a nice just cream finished leather insole, which another just luxurious point that Jjjjound likes to do is he really does a good job with all of his collaborations on really bringing high quality materials for each collab, as well as just a nice clean look. And then the midsole, really cool, just that 3D nice looking spike action that we've got that moves and makes its way to the bottom of the outsole, which is also in black. You do also get a Jjjjound bag here. So we've got a little duster bag, which is really nice as well. Again, just making it feel a little bit classier, a little bit higher end. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, I will say the Mostros do fit more on the narrow side of things. So if you do have narrow feet, I would potentially size up depending on how wide your feet are. But if you do have narrow feet like myself, I did stick with true to size and these fit me perfectly. All right, now let's talk about how to style these. I think that these sneakers look so futuristic, so modern on foot, and it does definitely make my feet look a little bit smaller, a little bit more slender. But I had so much fun just mixing and matching different looks with this because again, I think this chocolate brown is a very easy color to style, and it's a nice colorway, which I think you can wear all year round. So for the first look, I decided to keep it kind of monochromatic with an all khaki look. So I wore this nice kind of chic khaki bustier top with some matching cargo pants in that same khaki colorway. I do feel like you can dress these up, you can dress these down. Honestly, I feel like because of the quality on these, you can almost wear these to the office for a business casual look.
Those looks you're throwing at me. Now what's that smile supposed to?
And then for the second look, I decided to switch it up a little bit more, keeping it on the casual side with a striped long sleeve top and a nice beige and kind of navy tone. I do feel like navies go quite nicely with brown hues and also with black. And then for the bottoms, I decided to wear some denim jorts. Definitely any type of denim will go great with these, so it doesn't have to be shorts, it could also be denim pants.
Can't let you be my everything, my everything. I keep my thoughts, keep my wishes, keep my secrets inside. You never stop, never notice, never look me in the eye. Can't tell how you do it so well. You look everywhere when I'm right there. Hey, it's gravity, you and me could be.
And for the last and final look, decided to go with a more athletic look. I wore some nice metallic gold athleisure pants that were in a satin finish. And then for the top, I kept it simple with a cream cropped ribbed top. I do think that all monochromatic going cream will work quite nicely with this, or even like an all kind of brown or all black look as well.
We wanna be, just don't let it stay in the dreams. It brille plus que le ciel. Sous la lune, c'est toi et moi qui brille déjà. Je veux juste rester auprès de toi. Tu verras la vie, c'est toi et moi. La nuit est éclairée.
And now let's talk about how these are doing currently on the resale market. So this colorway between the navy and the brown sold out the quickest. This retailed at $140. It's currently going between $140. One of the, I guess, highest asks is around $600. So I could foresee that changing in the future. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.